Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Meteora wallet address on Binance. As you know, Meteora just get listed on Binance Spot, and if you want to transfer your Met token from other wallets or airdrop, you need to find the wallet address. So I will show you in this video step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then you will find buttons. This yellow one, you can click it, and then you can choose on chain deposit, and then in this page go to search box and search for Meteora. This one, you can click it, and then there is only one network which is Sol. You can click it, and this is your Meteora wallet address on Binance. You can copy it or scan it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.